If you want to apply a wallpaper effect and frame on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all we can open Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down a little bit and then go to the Wallpaper and Style, and then we can tap on the lock screen or home screen. Now here, if you should be able to find, if you can use the frame and effect, you should be able to find these options here at the bottom of the screen. Keep in mind that some wallpapers, like many of the pre-added wallpapers that we have in the settings, they cannot use the effect and frame option, unfortunately. But like if you use like a third-party wallpapers, or just wallpapers that you can find in the Galaxy Store, for example, or if you choose your own photos as a wallpaper, then you can actually apply this effect and frame. So now over here we can tap on this and we can choose the frame if you wanted to use one, and you can also switch the color in case you're looking for a different one. There we go. And besides that, we can of course find the effect option. Here we need to swipe to the left and to the right to choose whichever effect you want to apply. And you can of course do the same thing for the lock screen, of course. If you go back and choose the lock screen, then of course you can apply these effects as well. And once you are done with the customization, remember to use the done button in the upper right corner. Leave a like and subscribe.